Hello guys, uh, welcome to K1 Repair Center. I want to warn you about the scammers. I have unfortunately don't have the documents and emails to show you because we passed it to our finance department. However, got the customer, he purchased one of our products that go in, one of the product for 300, that one here, for 199.99, and he paid for it, and he paid £200 for it, and he wanted the postage as well. I think it's £125, something like that. It's the postage posted to me at £324, and he sent a screenshot for my website, the exact same, the website. He sent a screenshot and he say you overcharge me, and he's disputed by PayPal. He opened the claim by PayPal and with the screenshots and everything, and he say I have overcharged him because actually in my website it was advertising for 1999. Yes, it's right. He say you advertise for 1999 and you overcharge me nearly £300, overcharge me, and I want my money back. So honestly, we have win the dispute was opened by PayPal. However, I just want to warn you, especially the retail who's selling online, it's easy to change it. Okay, I just show you how they all have done. This is my website that you can see is a GM988 for 199.99. And if you want to collect it, you can collect it from the store for that price, or if you want to post it to you, we can post it to you for that price. So the guy actually what you have done, but show you can go in any website and change it what you want to change, whatever what you want to do. Right mouse click, go to inspect, and if you go to the console and you write it, or have a road error, I need to fix them as well, but however, you write it down, document.design mode equals on. So you write it down, document.design is coming, not coming, design mode, okay, equal on. So when you write it, that one down, press the enter, you got confirmation, it's on. Close it. Now I can go here and change it, that one, to 1999. There you go. It's that easy, honestly. You can change here as well. You can go to the PayPal and change it here for 199. Whatever, you can just change it, go that one, change it to 1.5 million or whatever what you want to change it. And you can do it the screenshot. Yeah, we do it 1999, and this is what he have done. So, and it is, you can see it, and he have it done in the screenshot and send it the document to the PayPal, and it take ages. The PayPal is I don't want to honestly comment on that, but who dealing with the PayPal with like that is paying backside, honestly, to prove everything, and take it ages take it, that, you know what I mean. And we all was lucky. It's not something we lucky that we don't have to refund it, because most of the PayPal, eBay's, like that platform, they are mainly designed to protect the buyer as the seller, and they don't really care about the seller that you prove a hundred stuff when you prove it really that it's not your fault, is it? It's the buyer's fault. They don't really care. However, we got the money and release it for us. However, just about to show you, careful. If you receive something like that, it's not mean it's your fault, is it? And don't get panic. Just that this is you can keep this video and share it if in case it go happen to you, to relevant team, and you can see it's easy. Just you can change the price, and it is anyone can go in and do it. I hope this video helped, and if you need help, please comment, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully see you in the next video. Thank you for watching K1 Repair Center.